What's up, guys? Today should be a quick video. Today we'll be taking the Caprice to the cat scales and weighing it. I'm gonna try and get a weight and see how much total weight we've taken out of the car. It's hard to keep track with things that we're adding and taking away. So hopefully we can start here as a base and then go from here. Okay, so I just got the weight of the car. I just Googled my closest cat scale and went there. I'll put this up on the screen here in a second. They wouldn't let me split the car, so we just did gross weight. The total weight is 3,980 pounds. They only charged me $12 to do this, so I was pretty happy with that. Like I said, I just found the closest cat scale. They were super easy to work with, and they didn't care that I was just putting it on the scales for personal use. In my opinion, not knowing what the car originally weighed, it does seem a little bit heavy, considering there's no passenger seat. We've already pulled like 120 something pounds out of the car. There's no exhaust. I mean, it's header and then a muffler, one muffler. So it does seem a little heavy, but I guess I don't know what it started to compare it to. But it is a full tank of fuel. I did make the switch over to E85, so hopefully we'll be doing a video about E85. The car definitely comes to life a little bit faster. And we'll see. I got one more thing up my sleeve to make it go a little bit faster here, hopefully next month or in the next couple weeks. Wheels and tires are in the mail. I'm kind of just waiting on the rest of the world for their shipping delays on that, so hopefully we can get that on, because it's sketchy right now. It'll spin on the freeway at like 60-70 miles an hour, so all that stuff's in the mail. So I'm just kind of waiting on the world to send me my stuff so we can keep on going with this project. But like I said, I'll throw this up on the screen right now, but make sure you guys like and subscribe. Thank you.